All right, all right, all right. We are live. Athletic Robots. Yeah. So we are coming back at you with the 2021 Playbook NFL. And this here is going to be 18 megas. So my name's Tommy Ears, coming at you from Iowa. And welcome to those who are new. And welcome back for those coming back from out. This is going to be a quick one here, even though it's 18 mega boxes. The Playbook goes pretty quick. Hey, James, how's it going? I'm not sure, but I think it's one pack in every box, and it's like 4 cards. I don't remember exactly, but shouldn't last long is my guess, but I don't know. So let's see here. 5 cards per pack, 4 packs per box. So I guess it has 20 cards in each mega. Find 2 retail exclusive orange parallels. Look for ultra rare inserts such as In Motion, On the Fly, and more. We got 1 auto or mem card per box on average. And stuff. So set to go here, guys. So I will read the starting lineup and then I'll get my gloves on. We'll jump on in. Like always, I do upload the video to YouTube afterwards, so you can always watch it then and scroll to the end where I'll do a review of the hits. Just like the auction description says, I'm going to sleeve everything that's not a base card. And the hits go into top loaders. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you. How's it going, Jason? So, let's go Rams. Shipping will go down tomorrow, so hopefully everybody appreciates that. And for more breaks, look at the Facebook group page on the top in the featured section. That's where I put all my break information, and I am going to launch another one tonight that will go down next week. So, without further ado, yeah, James, we need that Ian Book auto for sure. That's one I'm looking for sure. So I'm going to read my starting lineup, and then we'll jump on in. I got Devin Conboy with the Panthers. Tim Newton has the Browns. Alex Pichardo, the Cowboys. James Garrison, the Saints. LJ Martinez, the Hawks. Paige Barzaness, the Bucks. Nick Hemmer, the Titans. And let's see here. Waiting shipment. And eBay. That's going to be all of these, I believe. William Beckel, you have the Cardinals and Packers. Julian Christopher, the Pats and Jets. Ed Stubbleton, the Bears, Bengals, and Niners. Wow. Nice set there. Mark Thomas, the Raiders, Chargers, and Vikes. Enrique Garcia has the Steelers. Brandon Guardiola has the Eagles. Keith Agina, the Giants. Pete DiCarlo has the Fins. Keith Rainey, the Jaguars. Randy Rabick, the Texans. Mark Gibson has the Broncos. John Juno, the Lions. Ken Van Allen has the Ravens. Carter Thacker has the Falcons. Eric Strand has the Bills, Chiefs, and Commanders. Jason Verhagen, the Rams. And Quentin Riedel, the Colts. All right, all right, all right. Woo-ha! Here we go. Let's get these gloves on for surgery. And we're going to jump on in. Excuse me. All right, cool. So yeah, definitely feel free to jump into the comments with what players you got to have, what players you love, what players you collect, what players you would like for me to pull. Now, of course, needless to say, Panini packs the cards, so I can't really help what comes out. But I do have the Baby Buddha right there for good luck purposes. So, you know what I'm saying? All right. All right, kids. It's about time to rock and roll. Oh, shit. Mega number 1. Let's do this. Let's rock and roll. See how long this takes. I can't decide if it's going to be 30 minutes or maybe 45. I don't know. Hour. We'll see. And we will fly through the base cards. Got the Antonio Gibson Zoning Commission. And our rookies are Brevin Jordan, Amir Smith-Marset. Thick one here. Mac Jones. There we go, Pats. Got you an orange mem card of Mac Jones. That's spice. CeeDee Lamb Blitz. And then the rookies are Sam Ellinger and an orange Jalen Hurts. So not a rookie. Pat's on the board real quick. Sweet. Got a Jonnu Smith Mosaic. Rashad Bateman next up. Joe Tryon, Shoyinka, Rashad Bateman. Excuse me. Trey Sermon next up. Osa, Agadobinga, Sam Ellinger, orange. That's the official pronunciation of Osa's name. It's official. I heard it online. So that's what it is. It's funny how they used the whole box just to put these 4 packs in there. It's interesting. It's like a mind trick where you think you're going to get a bunch of packs. Greg Rousseau, Mosaic. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Tylan Wallace, Jalen Camp. Irv Smith Jr. Blitz, Dwayne Eskridge. Orange, Nick Bolton. Next up, Devonta Smith. Patrick Jones. Kene Wangu. Nice Vikings pack there. This one might be thick. Yep, we got a thick one. Travis Etienne. It's got your Travis Etienne mem card. Next up, Ramondre Stevenson, Chris Evans, orange, Chris Carson.
That's gotta count for something. I mean, as an avid popcorn eater, I was very excited for this piece. I do very much love the kernel. I think that just adds such a cool element to it.
I can appreciate how hard this is. I think there was a real big missing color.
I'm not really feeling the shape. It's big. He really labored on it. He persevered. He's got a lot of heart. But I don't necessarily feel like it's captured the essence.
All right, mega number 3.
So before we decide on a winner or a loser, let's bring in the glass jars. They didn't tell me when I go home. I think it's the reality of it.
It was a rough day, but I bounced back. I recovered. If I stay or go, like, I'm proud of myself.
I think I was very brave in this round. There's no room to be mediocre at this point.
Tylen Wallace, Javon Murray, Jersh Palmer Orange, Justin Fields next up. Da Bears. 2-2. Coleman Powell. Nice insert for Da Bears. We got another thick one. Ronald Jones, the second. There you go, Bucks. Kenyon Drake, Kylan Hill, Orange, Jameis Winston. I'll put the rookies here and the non-rookies there. Shower. Is that a blue? Zadarius Smith? Oh, it's a mosaic. I see. So you got a mosaic. Zadarius Smith. It's not numbered. Des Fitzpatrick next up. Javon Holland. Javante. Mega number 4. See what we got here. All right. We got a Harrison Smith, Sam Ellinger, Joe Tryon Shoyinka. Try on, try off. Devonta Smith next up. Peyton Turner. Orange, Elijah Moore. This one feels to be thicky, thick. Oh, look here. Chuba Hubbard. Sweet. There you go, Carolina. Got you a nice Carolina blue mem card. Hi, Pete. How's it going? AJ Dillon Blitz. Rashad Bateman. Tyrann Mathieu Orange. So we are 4 for 4 so far with mem cards. 3 rookies, 1 vet. And I think the vet ones are game use. I don't know, I'll have to look. Got a Justin Jefferson base. Adam Thielen mosaic right behind it. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Osa Adagazua. Nico Collins. That's pretty close. I'm sure Osa would be proud of that pronunciation. Number 5. Javonte Williams next up. Osa. Nico Collins. This one feels thick. Kyle Pitts. Here we go, Falcons. Gotcha on the board to the Kyle Pitts. That one's gridiron gear. Devin Singletary, Peyton Turner, orange Antonio Gibson. Huh, gridiron gear. This one looks different than the other rookie ones. I don't know. The other rookie ones are orange. That one's not. I don't know. Maybe that's what it is. Bradley Chubb Blitz. De'Ami Brown. Whisper. Mac Jones orange. There we go, Pats. Oh, yeah. He shoots, he scores. Elijah Moore, mosaic. Kyle Pitts, next up. Mac Jones, back-to-back Max. Boogie Basham. Coming for ya. All right. Number 6. Third. Kyle Trask. Kenny Wongwu. Tylan Wallace. Orange J.J. Watt. Hey, Mike Truman. How's it going? This one's a gridiron gear as well. Interesting. So the last 2 mem cards are gridiron gear, and the first 3 of them were orange. I got nothing. Hayden Hurst, Mosaic. Dwayne Eskridge next up. Jalen Camp. Dwayne Eskridge. Cornell Powell, Kene Wongwu, Chris Evans. Jerish Jacobs, Patrick Jones, Kene Wongwu, orange. Vikings. Racking them up. Number 7. Marlon Mack, Blitz, Joseph Asai, Quincy Roche. What?
I've been looking for my phone. So
Thick one. Jerish Palmer. There you go, Chadges. A nice powder blue mem card there. Gridiron gear.
Elimination round that I go into, I'm waiting for like the harshest critique.
Davis Mills next up. J.C. Horn. Brandon Cooks. Oink.
Gigantic glass. Jan, how do you feel about your symbol?
I was happy with it. At the end, I kind of experimented. I wasn't exactly sure how to approach it.
I mean, you definitely hit the mark on the size thing, but I think maybe in that translation you lost a little bit with the proportions. It feels like it's just a little too tall and thin.
Next.
Okay. I don't know. Whatever.
John Charvin with the caramel corn.
Kadarius Toney Mosaic. There you go, Giants. That's cool. A.J. Dillon. Trevor Lawrence. T-Law. Kadarius Toney base right in the same pack. There you go, Giants.
I thought the caramel was going to be a little bit brighter, but ended up a little dark. You know, left on the stove too long.
A.J. T-Law on the bird.
Grace.
You know, this is a really challenging shape to make. Glass does not like to be square, especially doesn't like to be big and square. Not many people do. So I wanted to try, but it just didn't work out.
But at least we're looking at something. So I'm glad to see something on the pedestal.
Thank you.
Trenton with the push pin. It seems like an easy form to create, but I don't work at a large scale like this. But overall, I'm satisfied with the piece. I will say that she had the largest piece at 23 inches. Nice.
I mean, in some ways,
Amon-Ra St. Brown. Mac Jones again. Coming for ya.
and certainly from here,
Trey Sermon.
there's no doubt that we're looking at a push pin. I guess maybe because it is such a symmetrical form, I feel like there's a little bit of a missed opportunity for some of the crispness of some of the edges, the corners at the top and bottom.
I agree. Thank you, artists. We're going to step away to deliberate. Somebody has to win and somebody has to go home. I don't want to be eliminated.
Number 8.
But I also don't want to be eliminated.
I'm just worried about myself at this point.
First, we had 2 decisions to make, and neither was easy.
Today's best in blow is 2 artists. As far as I know, there's never been 2
T-Law next up.
John Moran.
Trey Sermon. Brevin Jordan.
And Minhee.
Super shocked.
We've got a thick one here. Mac Jones. All right. Patriots are on a tear. It's probably the fourth Mac Jones. This is the gridiron gear to go with your orange one. Yeah, right? Ian Book time. Dalvin Cook, Amir Smith-Marset. Orange, Zadarius Smith.
It was a wonderful time. It's so much fun, and I wouldn't change anything. This won't be the last time you'll see me. You know, I'll be around and go take a half price places.
Congratulations, you're still all the running for the grand prize and the title.
Carson Wentz, Mosaic.
See you at the next challenge.
Aaron Jones.
At this point in the competition,
Sam Ellinger. Joe Tryon Shoyinka. Trey Lance, next up. Rashad Bateman. Orange, Peyton Turner.
Glass blowers, welcome back to the hot shop. Coming into this next challenge, I'm just trying to do my best, and hopefully it's better than the worst person. It's not going to be easy.
Now that there's 5 of us, it is real in the sense that you're getting closer.
Seeing the light at the end of the tunnel, only one of us can make this.
For centuries, artists like Degas, Renoir, Matisse have been inspired by the circus. Its bright colors, bold patterns, and big personalities.
one of those great artists, as I'm sure you know, is Venetian maestro Pino Signoretto and his amazingly crafted glass clowns.
Pino Signoretto is one of the godfathers of glass sculpting, I would say. His series of clowns just have so much movement and emotion, and they're really incredibly sculpted.
Definitely not making a clown. I don't like clowns. For this challenge, we want you to take the over-the-top energy found under the big top and create a circus-themed piece of art. To help Catherine evaluate your work is the aerial acrobat and circus company owner, Miranda Tempest.
Being a guest evaluator,
She's a circus company owner.
what she does for a living. The circus and the hot shop
Number 9.
taking risks and taking responsibility. So actually, we both get to play with fire.
You want to play fire? So do we.
I think if we're going to get a booklet, it needs to be Ian Book. That would be only fitting.
Fire, even though it's about 5 feet away from us, we can still feel the heat coming off. That kind of makes us glass furnace right.
We have still yet to pull a booklet out of any of these megas. So who knows?
For this challenge, we will be evaluating
Chuba Hubbard.
design,
Oh, what's that? That's something, something.
The challenge will be named Best in Blow and will receive the very last advantage.
Huh. It's not numbered, but it's got a...
But really, I just want to win right now. I need a win. The artist that just
Anybody know what this is? It's got like...
knows of a clown and asks
Trying to decide what shape that is, but it's different than the mosaic.
time starts now.
I'm not sure. NFL Shield? Cool. So, oh, it says RC. Now I see it. It's the RC Shield.
Dragon, which is also a bearded leaf. This is
If you look at it just at the right light,
Jones is one of the most
it's like a hologram. This is cool. Well, it's not numbered, but
the norms about what is considered
definitely a hit. That's cool. That's the first one of those I've seen.
It's a sail, it's on a pedestal, and it's jumping through a
Huh.
ring of fire.
That's cool.
The Ring of Fire symbolizes
Put it right there.
hoops that we all have to jump through. I think everyone that came here
DK, Tylen Wallace,
sacrificed a lot to be
Aaron Robinson, Oinch.
That's not easy, but she's my number one supporter, and she wants me to win.
This young man who's trying to make it to the next challenge. I'm making a walrus named Walter.
AJ Dillon, Jalen Camp,
Things are
Dwayne
Gets
Eskridge.
caught in the balls that he's supposed to be bouncing on his head. This is gonna be really cute.
This one's thick.
You know, it'll be good.
We'll make it
CD Lamb, Game Day Materials.
I definitely got some
There you go, Cowboys.
Let's just make the
Get you a Game Day
fast cap.
Material CD Lamb.
Performer, as artists, we take
Amon-Ra St. Brown, Patrick Jones, orange Calvin Ridley.
To the audience.
When I thought about the circus, I thought about the political circus. I'm gonna make a clown-inspired elephant. The elephant has an orange toupee and it has orange face paint. Take from it what you will.
Being a circus.
Here we go.
Here goes nothing.
Tylen Wallace, Mosaic.
A lot of flashing.
Terrace Marshall Jr., Kene Wangwu, Chris Evans.
Beautiful gather. I never say again.
Now we're gonna sweat.
All right, number 10. We're trucking, kids. We're getting there. You can do it.
Awesome, like flying through the air.
I think he's too small, dude.
I would want to work with an exotic animal like a tiger or a lion.
Kyle Trask, Kenneth Gainwell, Chuba Hubbard, orange. Ronald Jones, Khalil Herbert, Odafe Owe.
And yet, as literally combustible as it is, it's actually quite predictable in how it behaves.
That really is along like glass blowing. Using the heat and work its magic with the material is something that glass blowers do all the time.
Yes, that's the shape.
Melvin Gordon III, Broncos. Mem Curd,
Material.
there you go Broncos. Dalvin Cook, Travis Etienne, Matt Ryan, Oinch.
The dancing bear are making the circus bear dancing on the ball, wearing a fez cap and crying.
Brandon, so I feel like every kid sort of like has this fantasy of like running away from home and joining the circus. So
Yeah, James. It's a great question. I have no idea why the boxes are so big when they only have 20 cards in them.
We'll have your back.
Oh my god.
I think it's funny. I don't know. Like I was saying, I think it's a mind trick
Environment, they all want to see
where they make you think bigger. It's a bigger box, so it's going to be better. Well, you know, have more in it, that is. They could certainly fit a lot more in there, couldn't they? I mean, come on now. Calvin Ridley, Mosaic. It's a blue Calvin Ridley. So these blues are not numbered. I've seen another one. Najee next up. Aaron Robinson, Racy McMath.
what you would do for this challenge, but as I sort of understand, you've already been there and done that.
a little bit. My best friend and I collaborated on a body of work based around clowns.
Why do you bring the circus to life with your work?
Color is extremely important, and I would expect to see these artists,
Frit powder.
you know, Olympic color artists provide this hot shot.
That's a funny thing to say.
Color,
8 to go. Number 11.
I figured I'd start off with the ring fire. I've never made a ring before. I had my assistant bring a bit of orange glass. I wrap it on the ring to kind of create some flames.
You gotta be really careful.
I think this first one is a thick one. Yep.
Don't have time to make a new one.
Cornell Powell. Next up. There you go, Chiefs. Devontae Parker, Blitz. Des Fitzpatrick, orange, Devontae Adams.
I see Dan's bears really coming together.
it's a motif that Dan has used before as a representation of his indigenous culture, so he might have a little bit of a leg up in being able to make a bear pretty well and pretty quickly.
He's dancing for his dinner, just like me. Is the bear mean? No, I'm not the bear, but you know, I definitely have bear-like qualities. My family, the children of the cutting son, are the descendants of Hazelot, his bear family. Well, you can see I have
J.C. Horn,
bear necklace
Mosaic.
time, and that's
Saquon,
family.
Gary Brightwell, Micah Parsons, There we go, Cowboys.
Oh, and that's I'm good. I am making a bearded dragon lady.
Nice. Okay, we're ready for the lids.
I'm thinking a lot about me being the last female here in the competition. This piece of challenge is
Get you
gender
some.
fluid. A woman can have a beard.
Yeah, James Prism. We're going to do 100 gravity packs. Michael Carter. Trey Lance. There we go, Niners. Pete Werner, orange. But pretty soon here, it'll be Optic. As long as Optic comes out with retail, I've heard things, but
I do make artwork. To
we'll see.
stand out to like be a full-time artist, especially if I win this whole thing.
I don't like Optic Hobby, though.
I'm really excited about it. So I'm making
It's too expensive.
that has kind of a political caricature to it,
It's not as much as Prism Hobby, but it's like,
and just give it a little bit of a.
it's almost $1,000 or something like that.
It's all about sculpting in this challenge.
Ian Book. Ian Book.
Much to say. It's gonna be no fake hair. So the hair.
Jonathan Taylor.
Different orange,
Trevon Morg.
like streaks.
2-2.
I'm gonna heat it up and use a wire brush to just scrape some texture into it, which will give it just layering and depth. Yeah, that's what we like to see. 2 hours left. 2 hours left. Struggle bus. Anyone need a lift? There's a spot for everyone.
I just need to. You're going a little faster, I think.
Yeah, I agree. Some of the hobby is reasonable, though, like Obsidian and Certified.
John Sharman's making a walrus.
I like those.
Making a seal. It's like when they look at each other's noses.
All right, number 12.
There is a concern that like John and I's pieces are kind of similar. Now, a whole bunch of that one is that there's me and Trenton that haven't won one yet, and that puts us in the bottom two. But in the end of this competition, we're mainly against yourself and what you are. Best river forward for sure.
Turn stuff. Right now I'm working on the pants, so they're kind of red and white striped pants. Kind of a little bit Uncle Sandwich.
Derrick Henry. Eric Stokes.
Stripes on the pants.
Trey McKitty.
Because that's what's going to give it this kind of clown.
Yeah, so for the second time in a row, my phone doesn't want to allow me to go live on my Facebook group page, so I have to use my wife's phone. I don't know what's going on. I'll have to figure it out, obviously. Hey, Paige, how's it going? Deami Brown. Gridiron Gear. There you go. Washington. Got you on the board. Jerish Palmer. Ramondre Stevenson. Orange Kyler.
You know, you put a lot into these challenges. Every one of these challenges, you really have to dig deep. The turnaround is really quick. That is really taxing on your creativity.
Are you feeling like you're becoming a better artist here with all these challenges?
Every time I get into the challenges, so you peel away the layers of the onion a little bit.
We are very good at pulling Deami Brown out of the packs.
Since the first challenge,
We're consistent. Racy McMath. Mosaic.
but you gotta lose
Austin Eckler.
on it.
Marquez Stevenson.
It's gonna be tough.
Quiddy Pay.
Right now I'm making some tusks for Wolfer.
I'm out to attach the beard.
It makes
Amari Cooper.
because
Jalen Waddle. There we go. Fins.
they're sticking out really
Javante. Orange.
fragile.
There we go. Broncos.
That's gonna be a problem. This glass can crack at any second, and if I'm not careful, then that's gonna be the end of me.
That's my beard. I need a flash.
Flip. Flip. It's a flipper. Get it? Yeah. All right. Flash.
1 hour left, everyone. 1 hour.
My wife is watching Blown Away. In case you're wondering what's in the background, it's this show about glass blowing.
Competition really
Fins up.
on everything. Emotionally, on my body.
Who's next?
You win and the next challenge.
6 to go, guys.
Emotional kind of mental place. It is
I got a T-Law base, I believe. And an insert. So far, Keith. We will do a review at the end, of course. Pete Werner.
That's good.
It's a blue.
Oh, nice catch.
Next up, Justin Fields. Levi Onwuzurike. Sean Wade.
Time is flying. There's only 20 minutes left. Time to hustle.
I am making the garment.
Yeah. Who's next?
20 minutes to make the apparel portion of the piece.
Kenyon Drake. Simi Fehoko. Orange. Jerish Palmer.
Time is my only enemy. I still have to add this with the last colors that brings the elephant to life. Because right now it looks really strange, but I'm definitely running out of time.
Antoine Winfield Jr. Okay, this is numbered out of 25. Sweet. So nice hit there, Bucks. Paige, I believe that's you. Got a Antoine Winfield Jr. numbered 9 out of 25. Sweet.
Slow and steady.
Nice. Des Fitzpatrick. Seth Williams. Tyson Campbell. Nice one. Des Fitzpatrick. Got you a mem card. Simi Fehoko, Elijah Moore, Matt Stafford, orange.
We had to create a piece that is inspired by the circus. I'm really thrilled with how my piece turned out, but I don't control what the evaluators think.
As artists, we use our artwork to process things that we're going through.
Everyone
Next.
has to jump through hoops. You just gotta push on through and hopefully get to the other side.
He shoots, he scores.
I hope it gives them a laugh. In the end, it's not a specific political statement. It's kind of a viewpoint of politics in general. I hope the evaluators smile when they see this work. Maybe see a little bit of themselves in it.
Sk-
You know, art doesn't have to be special. I hope it makes people happy. I guess. Welcome to the
Najee, Anthony Schwartz,
This is John Sharpen's piece.
Adetokumbo Agunjiji. That's exactly how that's pronounced. It's the official pronunciation. The pronunciation.com.
Go to a place of the walrus.
Got a thick one.
Perhaps that's kind
Jerish Jacobs.
Doesn't fit in necessarily to the circus.
Yeah.
I mean, this seems so representative of John Sharman's tale of just
Jerish Allen, J.C. Horn,
now succeeding as a glass artist.
Hunter Henry
I do
Oinch.
feel like there's something that's
All right, Mark, let's go Vikings. Skull.
This is Trenton's
We got a bunch of good Vikings already, but
that stands between us.
who are you looking for? What you looking for? Anything specific?
define here, the challenges and obstacles that you need to surpass to get anywhere in life.
What's that,
I
Jerish
really
Jacobs?
love the color in this one. It's gradient color in the heel. I just wish maybe a little bit more time had been taken on the
Chuba Hubbard,
of the ring and skin.
Joseph Asai, Orange, Nico Collins.
Construction, I feel like seems a little rushed and not as careful.
All right, we're just gonna pull all the Vikings cards then.
Me too.
Who's this?
Get your seal of
Tyson Campbell, Mosaic. Alvin Kamara, Trevor Lawrence. Got another T-Law. Kadarius Toney.
This is Dana's piece.
It looks to me like this is all that
Got him for a friend, eh? All right.
glass.
Well, if your friend is a Vikings fan, they're gonna like this one. I think we've pulled, I don't know, 4 or 5 rookies ish.
a lot to be juggling.
I probably could have done without
I don't think we've got Kellen Mond yet, but
Oh, I didn't even see tears. You know, I think there's always this sadness.
he don't play anyways. Oh, I know. I heard.
Just are a little too.
I heard. It is what it is. Speaking of Vikings, Nate Stanley just got released from the Vikings. He was on the practice squad.
He is referencing here.
Yeah, Keith.
The texture in the piece is really great. Everything from, the folds in the elephant skin and the hair, the fabric of this very rumpled.
Kenyon Drake, Michael Carter, Orange, Dalvin Cook. There you go, Vikes. That's sweet.
Like the political clown.
He's really outdone himself here. I think this closely aligns with John Moran's work that he does. Always has maybe a political message to it. Politics aside,
Simi Fahoko, Levi Anwejiriki,
I would agree.
Sean Wade.
This is Minnie's bearded dragon.
This one's thick.
Bearded dragons are some of the
It's thick, I swear it is.
They're very cute. The texture is really
Chris Godwin.
sure just from a purely aesthetic place. I'm a massive fan of the shapes.
There you go, Bucks. That's you again, Paige.
I do love the eyes.
AJ Brown,
Just the general
Frank
sculpting of the
Dabby,
face.
Patrick Surtain.
I'm not super crazy about the look of the skirt. I feel like it's a little bit distracting, maybe even a little bit overpowering. Take some of your attention away from the sculpting that she's done on the head.
I don't know. I disagree with like everyone. No, I think it's so great. The combination of texture and color. This skirt reminds me of like a clown collar. To me, it feels very like the circus. So what do you say? Is it time to bring the glass bottles?
So glad you didn't say send in the clowns.
Paulson Adebo. This is a mosaic, not numbered. Des Fitzpatrick. Here we go, Jets. Zach Wilson. Terrace Marshall, orange.
To convey a certain message, it can either hit it out the ballpark or
Time for the Dolphins, ma'am.
It wouldn't feel great to go home right now, but I did my best, and that's all I can ask for.
Artists, you certainly brought the circus to life with your pieces in the gallery.
I was really
3 to go, guys.
with all of the very bright colors and definitely recognized a lot of really classic traditional circus motifs. Great job.
Dan, tell us how you approached this challenge.
I decided to kind of just lean into more of my personal experience, especially in this atmosphere. I feel like it's a little more of a spectacle than I usually work underneath.
Had you thought about putting the stripes of the larger ball maybe at an angle to give it like a
3 to go. 3 to go.
I wanted to put the bear right at the center of what we call
16.
and I just thought that would bring the line together.
I really think you did a great job on the bear and all of the different accessories. I was curious though about the tears.
It's kind of like the tears of a clown. All those bear loves to dance. Disappointed that he has to wear a fez cap.
Thick one.
Thanks, Dan.
Trenton,
Amir Smith Marset. There we go, Vikes.
great looking. I liked it a lot.
Sweet.
At the top of the ring, there's a joint
Represent Iowa Hawkeyes.
connection on the ring itself.
That's a good one. Trey Lance. There you go, Nanas. Next up, Ramondre Stevenson.
Can you talk a little bit about that?
it has to
Orange Nelson Aguilar.
where I started. I don't come from a background that
A silver spoon in your
silver
mouth.
spoon, and so this piece kind of represents that. But I think that's what makes us a great community is we come from different cultural and economic backgrounds, but we speak the same language, which is glass.
Thanks, Trenton.
Thank you. Minnie,
I really love the texture in your piece. I'm wondering why you went with like the pointy protrusions.
I was thinking about sort of standing your ground for the things that make you different, and the bearded dragon in particular will pop up.
Devonta Smith, Mosaic. There we go, Eagles. Well, it's blue. Yeah, Mosaic.
I wanted to be able
Sweet.
to create like a
Javonte Williams, next up.
bring all
Marquez
the
Stevenson.
you would have
Cody Pay.
imagery and make a little bit of a commentary on the political circus.
When you make a piece like this, do you worry at all about like alienating certain people?
Our first Mosaic hit, I would say.
It was about starting a conversation. So I don't believe it's alienating, but of course that's not up to me to decide.
Thanks, John.
Mosaic over there.
we'd love to hear from John Sharvin, aka Walter the Walrus.
Nick Bosa,
One of the
Jalen Waddle,
Walter has this
Marquez Stevenson, orange.
actually succeed, but he just keeps failing and actually like taking out the heart and not giving up and persevering through his downfalls.
Probably for your industry, glass, and for mine as well, the circus, you're going to fail a lot. You're going to constantly have people saying that you can't do a thing or you're too old. You're well reserved.
Thanks, I'm glad.
There we go with the Kellen Mond Vikes. Devin Singletary, Jock, and Kellen Mond.
I appreciate the
I
compliment.
think we might have hit every Vike
I'm very
rookie.
happy with the way it turned out, yes. Thank you, artists. We're going to take a moment to discuss.
17.
As an artist, you want to win a challenge, but I just want to give another round.
I feel like I've done the best I can do, and hopefully the evaluators feel that way too.
Good intention, maybe didn't
Thick one right off the get. Chris Godwin again. So you got 2 Chris Godwin Blitz mem cards. That's cool. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Khalil Herbert, Orange, Darren Waller.
Thanks, guys. Oh, that's great. It's taken a while. But it's nice to actually put some of the best work forward and have that be appreciated. I feel good.
We've been waiting for that one.
John Carter, you have won the very last advantage in the competition, and that is...
Scary Terry Mosaic.
For you.
Devonta Smith next up. Adafeowe. Travis Etienne.
Now close away, and let's leave the hot shot immediately. Is...
I like how they tell them they have to get.
Trenton.
Brady Bass.
Thank you. I agree with that decision.
Harrison Smith.
Trenton, hot shot.
Luke Farrell.
This competition
Kenneth
is definitely
Gainwell.
not for the faint of heart. I came here and I was quickly humbled.
Ramondre Stevenson.
Custom pendants, you know, big high should have him.
Aaron Robinson. Orange Boogie Basham.
Receiving something that someone's made with their hands is almost worth more than money to me.
Last box of the break. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's opened so many boxes. He good. He good.
Final four is not enough.
I think this one's thick.
There are 4 amazing artists at the top 4 right now. I have no idea what's going to
Davis Mills.
fight to the end.
There we go, Texans. Thought we forgot about ya. Nice one. Michael Carter. Ian Book. Ah, last mega we got an Ian Book. That's funny. Matt Stafford Orange.
Kids, I talked to them last night.
Finally.
My girlfriend Martha's been behind me the entire way.
James is an Ian Book
Trying to keep things afloat,
fan.
the opportunity to come here.
Makes the dream work. And that brings us to
Be interested to see him play this year.
4 of you are going to be split up into 2 teams.
James speaks highly of Ian Book. He dominated at Notre Dame, sounds like. So
I am excited.
better put him in there.
John
What
Carter,
the?
as the winner of the last challenge, and that means you get to pick who you want to work with.
Saquon,
Really?
Davis Mills,
This is not super easy.
John Bates. Who the hell is John Bates?
Not a wrong answer. No, it's not a right answer.
The advantage that John has, it kind of puts him in the hot seat.
Crap. Yeah. Well,
Curious to see what Davis Mills does this year as well.
John,
Jalen Waddle mosaic. Oh, there we go, Fins.
let's do John this.
That's sweet.
Both together, so I would probably have picked John as well.
Ooh, spicy. Blue foil.
Team Seattle. Let's go.
Jonathan Taylor, Demetric Felton, Eric
It
Stokes.
worked out how I would have chosen, but it remains to be seen if it worked out in my favor, right?
To help Catherine evaluate your work are today's guest evaluators. Plural.
Okay.
Glass powerhouse partners.
Yeah, that's a cool one.
Robin and Julia Rogers.
All right. And last pack of the break.
Robin and Julia's collaborative works have been
DK, Trey McKitty, Kyle Pitts orange. Last card of the break, Kyle Pitts orange. All right. All right, guys, so give me just a moment here. I'll do a review.
Incredibly talented artists.
Julia and I have assisted each other for years, but working collaboratively as two artists on one piece is an entirely different ballgame. For this challenge, we want you to take two synonymous
All right,
words
sweet.
that go together and create one piece.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Hold your applause. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right, so let's do. So those are the inserts. These are
and individually on design,
base hits.
concept, and technical skill.
The winning team will be
Got
in
our
best and below.
non-rookie mem cards
The team will be on the chopping block.
and rookie mem cards. All right, so our inserts first. Trey Lance, Justin Fields, Trey Lance, Trevor Lawrence, Justin Fields. And our hit stack, we got Kadarius Toney Mosaic, Kyle Pitts Orange, Jalen Waddle Mosaic,
Word pairings. What do you think?
Davis Mills,
There's a lot.
Jalen Waddle, Devonta Smith Mosaic, Zach Wilson, Trevor Lawrence, Antoine Winfield Jr. numbered out of 25. Probably the hit of the break. Jalen Waddle, Javonte Williams Orange,
I remember the story.
Trey Lance, Micah Parsons, Chuba Hubbard
Her husband gives her a
rookie card shield.
comes to life and starts like eating.
My guess is that's pretty rare.
Terrific fairy tale. Maybe we can.
There, now you can see it.
Oh, I do like that.
It's got little shield holograms all over it.
Thing in class.
Yeah, James, thank you. Have a good one.
Make them glow in lots of color.
I'll do the chilies.
Then we got Mac Jones base, Trevor Lawrence, Mac Jones base, and a Mac Jones orange. All right. Now we'll do our veteran patch cards. We got a Chris Godwin,
I would say it's a match made in heaven with hellish.
two different colors, two different Chris Godwins. Josh Jacobs, Melvin Gordon, CeeDee Lamb, Josh Palmer. I guess he's a rookie. Sorry, I suppose he's a rookie.
Yeah, we're going spicy.
And Ronald Jones.
We're gonna jump into his face. Beyond the cards.
And now our rookie mem cards. Like I was saying, Josh Palmer, Davis Mills,
The Johns are on fire
Amir Smith-Marset,
so far.
Dez Fitzpatrick Orange, De'Ami Brown, Cornell Powell, Mac Jones, Kyle Trask, Kyle Pitts, Chuba Hubbard Orange, Travis Etienne Orange, and Mac Jones Orange. All right, guys, that was fun. I'll get these packed up and shipped out tomorrow. I'll post the next break tonight. It's going to be 100 gravity packs of Prism Football. Those are the ones that have the black and white checkers and the green ice. So I'll get that loaded up ASAP. And otherwise, I do appreciate everyone's participation. And we will see you at... I will be gone Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, so there won't be any breaks until after that. But I'll get this uploaded to YouTube, and we will see you at the next one. See ya! Thank you, Mark. See ya!